Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. This is my favorite time of the year when leaves are falling everywhere. They're ankle deep around here. So let's go ahead and practice some fire techniques. Start off with ferro rod, which is going to be difficult in this wind. And then we'll go ahead and do two different kinds of flint and steel. We'll cast sparks down into some charred punkwood, and then we'll go ahead and ignite some char cloth. And the wind is blowing, but I do have some good leaves here. Hopefully you can see the consistency of that leaf. That is ideal to catch a spark. My keychain ferro rod is a bayite, 3 1/8 by 5/16. More companion stainless steel. Have it blowing away on us now, can we? All right. I guess we got to switch places with that stove. Now, controlled chaos. Charred punkwood. Boy, that wind is steady. My steel made out of a Nicholson file. I'll leave a link to that playlist actually down in the description. And this is a piece of chert. Here comes the FedEx truck. Let's just push on even though FedEx just pulled up the driveway. Keep ending up on the wrong side of the sawhorse, don't I? And the last one that we're going to practice in the wind, this time I'm going to blow it into flames while it's in the stove. Makes more sense. This is denim char cloth. I'll leave a link in the description that'll show you how you can make great denim char cloth. Tear it in half to expose all those threads. Find a sharp edge on your shirt. Put it a 1/16 of an inch behind that edge. And then go for it. Now, let's see how this is going to work. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.